Hello! Hello. Hello. It's not Christmas, but we're matching. So we got the jumpers.
It's still Christmas. I'll say when Christmas is over.
Merry Christmas. We'll be doing life advice, life experience.
Welcome to the microwave. It opens and closes. It heats up yummy food and has buttons for when you want your food to be ready. It could be your friend or it could be your enemy. You should not put plastic in the microwave.
Oh, I want some hot chocolate. I'll use this cup.
I told you not to.
Do not put metal in microwaves.
Yummy! Yummy!
Not cool.
Stay close to me.